Hey guys, so today we're gonna try this nature cereal. Now I know everybody was hyping it up and saying it was the bomb diggity, but I can't really lie, and I don't know how I'm cutting this either. So I can't really lie because my face is gonna say it all. But so they say blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries. I don't want a lot because if it's disgusto busto, I'm gonna be upset. Let me do one more. There we go. Okay. Now coconut water. Little. I'm low-key excited to taste this. Okay. Alright. Nature's cereal, you guys. Let me chop up the strawberries so I can get a small piece of strawberry. Some pomegranate, blueberry. I'm going to do it with the blueberry and pomegranate and strawberry first. And then I'm going to try the raspberry. Ready? What? That should... I cannot. I thought people were gassing it. I don't like coconut water. Let me see. Let me eat this. What? It's really good. I thought people were lying. Like, really lying. Okay, hold on. Oh. Coconut water ain't bad either. I thought I hated it. Yo, it's really not bad. Like, I don't know what it tastes like, but it goes. Wow. Wow. I don't even know what to do. I really was expecting to be like, oh no. They did not lie. They did not hype it. I thought TikTok was hyping it up, but they weren't. It's really good. It's like, let me taste it again. Let me taste it with all the berries. Got enough water? Give them more. I don't know. Very much good. The pomegranate seeds is a little tough on my teeth, but if your teeth about that life, that's good. It is good. I don't think I can do it every morning because it's supposed to be a nature cereal, but I'm not a sweets person, and this is sweet, natural sweetness, but it's still sweet to me. But it's good. Like if I wanted a snack, and I was thinking about eating cereal, maybe I'll go for this, or just snacking, and I'll be like, I want some of this. Like, like I would feel like I got a taste for this for me, but it's still good. But I wouldn't like wake up and eat it every morning because I'm just not a sweets person. But I would say 8 out of 10. Yeah. Okay. I'm fine. Okay. Well, I'm gonna holla at y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, Show me some love. Bye.